Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, so we are doing our Unity of the month, kit of the month, unboxing, bagging. I always say unboxing, but let's get into it. I did do a sneaky peek, not on purpose, but I was on the website. They had a sale, their birthday sale, there, this sale, that sale. I didn't buy anything, but it's nice to look, is it not? And I just happened to click, and I want to say that it looked really good before. Now I haven't did my April May thing yet, so this is for June, but it's May. But the kit is pretty. It looks really pretty. I'm gonna go and show you this once more. I'm just gonna show you the inserts. I like this one. You'll be seeing this one. You'll see this one before, but I think this is it's an okay one. The March one was not so much, but let's see what they gave us this time. Comes in a nice little bag. What I have did on not all of them, on some of them, is laminate the card and then took the white backing off and just put it in the on a laminate sheet and slid it in the binder. I got lazy, I should say. Got overwhelmed and I stopped doing it. So we're gonna look at the free stuff that we get, which isn't really free if you're paying for something. This is just a additional thing, right? So you got some, like some jute twine, some pink lace, this cute lady. I'm not into these kinds of things, but well, images of people I'm not into, but I do love a good little ephemera piece. So you get three. I got three ephemera pieces. I noticed that when Wonder Dreamer 555 did her thing, hers was a little bit different than mine, I think. So I'm not sure how that works. And you got this little wooden tag. I didn't say that, did I? The wooden tag. So we got that. And then we got two sheets of paper and they measure 7, 9, 8.5, 8.5 by 5 1/4. So you probably can just fold these over and make some cards. I had made a standing, not a standing card, but a flip up versus a side card. Look, this is pretty cool. So we'll look at the inspiration first. Excuse me, the thing that you can make from it. And it's by Jaleesa Sargo. And she used the kit of the month and some Copic markers to create this. And this looks like it's a flower on a cutting table. And then on the other side, oh, the same image, just done a different way. And this is by Echo Noble. And she used a little bit different stuff, some Savage Patina, saltwater taffy, and speckled egg. And she used some nesting dye. It looked like she used a stencil. It doesn't say, but it looks like she used a stencil. So anyway, let's get into what we got. So this is the May 2023 Kit of the Month Blooming Color. Now, if you don't know, I've been into the bee theme for the last couple of years, and this is cute. Very cute. I feel like I can express how I feel fully because you see me unbox this, and then the next day you see me use kit. Although it's a whole month, so these images get to marinate. Well, not a whole month, but they get to marinate in my brain. This is a masculine greeting card. Now, I told y'all this last time. Masculine stuff is hit or miss, and I haven't particularly said, "Oh yeah, that's great." Like I'm not sure what these sentiments about the guys really are meaning. But here we got some trees in the mountain, and you can just stamp this out in one color, or you can stamp it out like in a gray or a brown and just color in the green and do some other colors. So I would try that just to see how it looks. Then we got these two little splatters. These look like squished spiders in my opinion, but you know what? We can have a Garfield moment now, can't we? We got this different flowers in this jar. This looks like something my kid would go out and pluck and put in. I can't show him this because he'll do that. Then you got this house, creepy house. This is a good haunted house um, image, or like a house for Halloween, spooky house. Because you could always put like a little silhouette here. Yeah, this is spooky. Oh, so it was just this stamp. It wasn't a stencil. So she used this stamp. Then this flower was on a paintbrush. I was thinking it was on a cutting board, but it looked like a paint palette. Then we got these birds on a wire. And then it says, embrace the art of letting go. Love that saying. Mm-mm-mm. You're the sweetest. Hey, honey. Now, I'm not sure why there's no bee on here. No big bee. You got this little bitty baby bee. But I feel like this is all around that. So it's not really the same as like this could have been a bee or this could have been a bee. I don't know what's going on. I guess they're saying, hey, Father's Day is in June. Let's use the other two and put them together. Like this would probably go good with the feet from March, the boots. But I'm not quite sure. Then you have, you bring so much beauty to this world. Darling, just believe in yourself. Wherever life plants you, bloom in color. Congratulations. Behind you, all of your memories. Before you, all of your dreams. Around you, all that love you. Within you, all you need. And it's like a little graduation thing. Uh, I don't. Mm, I don't have much thought on the sentiments. I feel like they're mismatched sentiments, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know. Like this one, your beauty, I guess this one goes here. Like this flower grew out this board, or maybe that. I don't know. Anyway, let's look at the size. Unity is known for their larger sizes. All right, so we got a large, this butterfly. This rose on the cutting board. I'm trying to see why this one looks different on here. Okay, so here's the paintbrush, and here's the handle on the cutting board or the paint. Then we got this. This is a pretty good size mixed media thing. I think they're trying to give us a lot on one theme, so the theme is kind of all over the place. This matches blooming color. This is pretty big. I'm not gonna pluck them out this time, but this is almost 3.5. Well, it's 3.5 from this to here, and then from here to there is over 2.5, so approximately 2.5. Like the images are pretty big, and even this is a pretty big sentiment. I think I would probably do this in a more dramatic color, like a gray color, if I was bold and bossing. And like this, I have something similar to this already, so I guess I'm not too impressed with that. These bird on the wire would go good on just a card, and I think this would be good for the beauty one, but we'll see. As I said, I'm not too fond of the masculine sentiment. Hey, honey, they was like, let's get this in, these little squash spiders right there. So this is our kit of the month unboxing, unbagging for our May Bloom in Color kit. We'll see what I do with it. I have been trying to pick something that I like, but it may not be like, oh my goodness, because we know that we could use this one, and we know that we could probably use this. And what else do we got? I'm not, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see tomorrow, right? I want to say thank you all for watching. Hope that you enjoyed this. Until next time, happy crafting.